Welcome everyone to this quick video of what is AI Builder Vault and how to get access to it. All the details are there on this website. If you can see everything that we have mentioned, all the resources, everything, you can get a good idea here. And once the people have already purchased, they can the coupon code is being shared by them. So you put the coupon code here. Let me just uh, so I have put the coupon code here, and now it is $0. Put your name. If you are logging for the first time, you will get a password request. If not, you will be able to sign in. So make sure that the spelling is correct, everything is correct. Continue. Now it is saying login now. Once you log in, you will have AI Builders Vault here. Once you have an AI Builder Vault, everything is going to be here specifically, and you can start doing going through it. How much Python you need, prerequisites, what are the basic things, environmental setup, Hugging Face, just do mark as complete, learn everything, and do the assessments that are there. We have some assessments. As you can see, there are some basic Python assessments, GitHub assessments. Keep doing the assessments, and best of luck for your amazing journey.